Alright guys, so here's the stairs to get down to this waterfall. You gotta be really careful. There's not really steps.
That's sturdy Philippine construction there.
Yes, made out of tree roots. Tons of butterflies. That's so cool. I don't want to step on any. Can't see any fish. Maybe. I don't see any. The water is really clear though. Oh wait, there's some tiny fry over here. But I don't know what kind of fish. But they're itty bitty tiny fry. Huh. Yeah, I can't tell at all. All fry look the same. That's so cool. Where's the mama fish? This is so neat. Oh, it's so hot. Really pretty though. Smile. I'm taking a video of that later. Yeah, this is a really beautiful waterfall. Do you see it?
Yep.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but there's tons of them here. And I was just able to scoop it up. So I'm gonna... There's like not really much to the side profile either. But like, look here, there's a gazillion of them in this pool.
Catch and release.
Yeah. Like in here, there's a ton of them down in the leaf litter. Oh, there's bigger ones. Kind of, but they still look the same.
Can't really see them from here.
Let me try and catch one. I think they all just ran for it.
Yeah, the other guy warned them.
Oh, whoa, there's a shrimp in here.
Shrimp.
There's tons of shrimp in here.
What?
Oh my goodness, they're going to be impossible to catch.
Yeah.
Oh wow, there's tons of freshwater shrimp. Wait, pause it while I try and catch one. Oh, dang it.
Almost got him.
I almost had him. He was on a leaf. Oh my god, there's so many shrimp. Why can't I catch one? They look like cherry shrimp, but brown. Ah, this is gonna be impossible without a net. There's so many of them, and I can't catch a single one.
Good practice, though.
Yeah, the fish was way easier to catch. Oh my gosh, the floor was covered with them. But there's like a lot of leaf litter in here. Okay. Well, you can pause it again. Turn it back on.
Okay.
There's like, it's like a Malaysian trumpet snail.
Cool.
You see that? And the water's like super clear, but there's a bunch of leaf litter on the bottom. And tons of shrimp, but I can't catch them. Oh wait, hold on, here's another snail. That one's really pretty. Do you see it? Do you see it's got like a dark speckled pattern. Oh well, I tried, guys. Oh whoa, there are giant water skates over there.
Where? Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, there are. Whoa,
Here,
there he
look.
went.
And then there's a big water bug over here that I'm definitely not going to touch.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
But there's so many shrimp. Can you see it?
No, it's just catching the glare off the
Here,
surface.
let me try from this angle. Yeah, you can kind of see them. If you look past the glare of the forest canopy, there's a ton of shrimp on top of the rocks. So, anyway. Are you on? That's my horse. Hello. What's her name? Is it Prim? Or
Supreme.
Prim? And then yours?
Genesis.
Lucy. Hello.
Picture first. Got the picture first.
We're taking a picture.
Yeah, okay, solo.
Hello.